Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with summer recipe. Summer is the time when we all prepare various offerings made up of mangoes for our Lord. This is the time when we prepare pickles and store them throughout the year. This is a traditional Gujarati pickle, Katki, made without using any oil, and the most amazing part is it's made without even cooking. Pickles have a special place among the many dishes in the Chappan book, and the best part is we can offer this on Ekadashi also. To make katki, here we have taken about 2 kilos of totapuri raw mangoes, but you can use any sour variety of mangoes available in your place. For example, Rajapuri mangoes work well too. Now wash all the mangoes well. In a separate bowl, we have taken some clean water, and as we peel the mangoes, we will immediately place them into this water. This step is important because it helps prevent the mangoes from turning black and keeps them fresh and bright. Next, cut the mangoes into very small pieces. Like this. Now transfer the chopped mango pieces into a large bowl and in the same way cut the rest of the mangoes. We had started with 2 kilos of raw mangoes, and after removing the peels and seeds, we are now left with about 1 kilo and 600 grams. Since we are making this katki pickle for Ekadashi also, so add 2 tablespoons of Sendha salt. Mix all this well, and once mixed, let it sit aside for 15 minutes. This resting time allows the salt to start drawing out the natural water from the mangoes. Cover the lid and keep it aside. Katki is generally made using sugar, but today we are going to make this katki pickle with jaggery instead of sugar, and trust me, it tastes absolutely amazing with jaggery too. So for the 1 kilo and 600 grams of chopped mangoes, here we have taken about 1 kilo and 500 grams of chopped jaggery. It has been 15 minutes now, and you will notice that the mango has started to release its natural water. Now add the chopped jaggery. Combine all this well. Make sure to chop the jaggery into small pieces just like this, so it melts easily and blends well with the mangoes. We have shared many mango recipes previously, and you can find all in mango recipes playlist, whose link has been shared in the description box below. After 5 minutes, you can see the jaggery is slowly starting to melt. Many people also make this katki pickle in an instant way, but it stays good for just a few days. But when you make it using this traditional method, it develops deeper flavors and can be stored for a year. Now cover the bowl with a clean, thin cotton cloth. This allows the pickle to breathe while keeping it protected. And it will take about 4 to 5 days for the katki to fully come together if the sunlight is strong. But if the sun is a bit mild, it may take 6 to 7 days. We have now placed this ball out in the sunlight, and in the evening make sure to bring it back inside the house. It's evening now, and it's time to mix the katki once again. Mix it well and then cover it again with the cloth. The next morning, place it back in the sunlight. This process needs to be repeated daily for 4 to 5 days. It has been 5 days now, so let's check. Mix it once, and as you can see that the mango pieces have softened slightly and the texture should be thick and glossy. The syrup has thickened beautifully. Add some Sendha salt as per requirement. 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground red chilli powder. Mix all this well, and with this our katki is ready. Store this pickle in a clean dry glass jar. In this way, you can store this Katki pickle for up to a year. And whenever you want to offer it to the Lord or serve it, simply take out a small portion in a clean bowl. If you like all these prasadam recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.